guys, welcome to our new study channel Decimal Study. So today in this video we are going to discuss Kalika Setu 3 mathematics question paper. So before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for all upcoming notifications. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first question is, the line joining the equation 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equals to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equals to 0 are. Options are intersecting line, perpendicular to each other, parallel lines. Option D, coincident line. Okay students, let's see the answer. Here we know that if a1 divided by a2 is not equals to b1 divided by b2, it is intersecting line. a1 divided by a2 is equals to b1 divided by b2 is not equal to c1 divided by c2, then it will be a parallel line. a1 divided by a2 is equals to b1 divided by b2 is equals to c1 divided by c2, then it is a coincident line. As per question, we know that a1 is equals to 2, b1 is equals to 3, c1 is equals to minus 9. And here a2 is equals to 4, b2 is equals to 6, c3 is equals to minus 18. Here 2 by 4, 3 by 6 is equals to 9 by minus 9 by minus 18. So we will get 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. So therefore the right answer is coincident line. Next question. Condition for a lines representing the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 to be parallel is. Options are a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2, a1 divided by a2 is equals to b1 divided by b2, a1 divided by a2 is equals to b1 divided by b2 is not equal to c1 divided by c2. a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2 is not equal to c1 divided by c2. Here the right answer is option C. As I told above, for a parallel lines a1 divided by a2 is equals to b1 divided by b2 is not equal to c1 divided by c2. Here the right answer is option C. Next question. The pair of equation x is equals to minus 4 and y is equals to minus 5 graphically represents lines which are. Options are intersecting at minus 5 and minus 4, intersecting at minus 4 and minus 5, intersecting at 5, 4, intersecting at 4 and 5. Here the right answer is option B, intersecting at minus 4 and minus 5. Next question. To divide a line segment AB in the ratio 3:4, first a ray AX is drawn so that angle BAX is an acute angle and then at equal distant points are marked on the ray AX such that the minimum number of these points is. Options are 5, 7, 9, 11. So now let's see the solution. So guys, by looking the diagram we need 7 equal parts, so answer will be the 7. Next question. 25th term of an arithmetic progression is 51 and first term a is equals to 3. Common difference is. Options are 2, 3, 4, 5. The right answer is option A. So now let's see the solution. Since it given a25 is equals to 51, we can write that 25 as a plus 24d is equals to 51. Putting value of a as a 3 plus 24d is equals to 51. So by solving this, we can say that d is equals to 2. So the next question, in an arithmetic progression, if an is equals to 4n minus 5, then find the second term a2 of the progression. Options are 1, 2, 3, 4. The right answer is option C, 3. Let's see the solution. Since it's given an is equals to 4n minus 5, there is a short hint for you. Put 2 in the place of n. By solving this, we get answer 3. So next question, sum of first n terms of an AP are. Options are n by 2 a plus n minus 1 d, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d, n by 2 a plus n minus 1 d, n by 2 2a plus n plus 1 d. Here the right answer is option B. Next question. Next two terms if an AP 5, 7 and 9. Options are 10, 11, 11, 13, 13, 11, 13, 15. Here the right answer is option B. Since common difference is 2 because A2 minus A1 is 7 minus 5, that is 2. Here the next term will be 9 plus 2, that is 11, and 11 plus 2 is 13. Next question. The value of sigma 18 plus sigma 19 is. The options are 351, 361, 531, 631. The right answer is option B, 361. Next question. The nature of the roots of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is decided by. Options are b square minus 4ac, b square plus 4ac, b square divided by 2a, b minus 4ac. Here the right answer is option A, b square minus 4ac. Next question. The standard form of equation 2x is equals to 5 minus x square is. Options are 2x minus 5 plus x square is equals to 0, x square plus 2x minus 5 is equals to 0, x square minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0, 2x minus 5 minus x square is equals to 0. Here the right answer is option B, x square plus 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. Since here the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So next question is, the roots of quadratic equation x square minus x minus 6 is equals to 0 are. Options are 3, 2, minus 3, minus 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 2. So now let's see the solution. Let's solve this by the method of factorization. Multiple first and last term x square into minus 6, that is minus 6x square. By factorization we get minus 3x into 2x. By putting this value in the place of x, we get x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. By factorizing we get x minus 3 is equals to 0 and x plus 2 is equals to 0. So therefore x is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 2. Next question. Formula to find the roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Options are x is equals to minus b plus or minus root b square plus 4ac divided by 2a. X is equals to b plus or minus root b square plus 4ac divided by 2a. X is equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. X is equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by a. Here the right answer is option C. Next question. In the given figure, the value of angle C is. Options are 90 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. The right answer is option B, 60 degree. Next question. In the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle. The value of CE is. Options are 16, 2, 3 and 4. The right answer is option A, 16. Next question. Find the value of a in a sine 2a is equals to cos a minus 30 degree. Options are 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 40 degree. So now let's see the solution. As per question, sine 2a is equals to cos a minus 30. So by complementary angles, cos 90 minus 2a is equals to cos a minus 30. Therefore, since sine theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. So by solving, we get a is equals to 40. So the right answer is 40. Next question. The value of cos 90 minus a is, options are sin a, cos a, tan a, sec a. The right answer is option A, sin a. Next question. When the length of shadow of vertical pole is equal to root 3 times of its height, the angle of evolution of a sun's altitude is, options are 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. The right answer is option B, 30 degree. Next question. The distance between the point P 14 and Q 40 is, options are 3, 4, 5, 3 root 3. So now let's see the solution. As we know, distance formula is equals to root x1 minus x2 whole raised to square plus y1 minus y2 whole raised to square. Putting the values in a formula, we can solve. Then the answer will be 5. The right answer is 5. Next question. The area of triangle ABC with a vertex. So next question. The area of triangle ABC with the vertices A, minus 5, 7, B, minus 4, minus 5 and C, 4, 5 is, options are 35, 53, 63, 36. So now let's see the solution. As we know, area formula is equals to half bracket x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So putting the values in the formula, by solving it, we get half into 106, that is 53 is the right answer. So guys, in this video I have covered 20 questions. The next 20 questions will be uploaded soon. So please subscribe our channel to get a notifications. And if you like this video, then don't forget to share and comment. Thank you.